In this video, I will show you how to download and update Realtek HD audio driver on Windows 10 or 11. To load and update your Realtek HD audio driver on Windows 10 or 11, you can access Device Manager. To be able to find it, just go ahead and search for Device Manager on the Start Windows tab. Click on Device Manager, and in here, just go ahead and look for Sound, Video, and Game Controller section. So go ahead and click on that to be able to find the Realtek high definition audio. So as you can see, we cannot find that on the audio inputs and outputs, but we can find that on the sound, video, and game controllers. So we can find that once we scroll down into the section. So you can find that section in between the software devices and storage controllers. So as you can see in here, we can find that NVIDIA high definition audio. Click on that. So once you click on that, you'll find this section at the top where you can actually update the drivers and download it as well. You can also uninstall it or disable this for your device. And that is how you can simply download and update Realtek HD audio driver on Windows 10 or 11. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to give this video a like, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell to keep updated with our latest videos.